How are we doing today, guys? My name is Jordan here at VEURINK'S RV Center, where we have been owned and operated for over 65 years. Today, I'm gonna try and keep it as short and sweet as I can, given how big this fifth wheel is, but we're looking at the 2021 382 MBQ Durango Gold. So, starting right away, even though this is pushing 40, a little bit over 40 feet, they're gonna give you two awnings, one on the body, one on the slide, so that you are fully covered at the campsite. Another thing I like to mention is there isn't 4-point leveling on this, there is 6-point leveling. 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the back to stabilize this monster of a fifth wheel. Now keep your eyes peeled in this massive storage bay. I'm gonna show you where this goes later, but I'm gonna keep that a surprise. Moving back on the coach, I want you to notice this has a 2-year full-time living warranty. So you full-timers or you longer period of time campers, you're gonna be a lot more covered than some of your competitors are. Now let's head inside and I can show you a couple cool things. So we're in the front bedroom of the Mid-Bunk Durango. Couple things I wanna mention. You can put a washer dryer in here, but not just the combo washer dryer. This is gonna fit a stackable washer and dryer. But that was my main thing I want to mention in this room, but just a bonus, there's a secret hidden shotgun cabinet. I don't need much more explanation about that one. Now, in the bathroom, it is a full-size residential shower. However, I want to point out the countertops. This is a not just seamless countertop, but a solid surface countertop. So they didn't just cheap out and do only solid surface in the kitchen, but they put it in the bathroom as well. Behind that, you're gonna see a flush mounted mirror and your cabinets on the sides. That way you're not gonna smack your head brushing your teeth at night, but you still get the cabinet space for your toiletries. Now let's head in the back and let me show you some other cool things. Now, this is a mid-bunk layout. Quick bonus, it does have the floor vac, central floor vac, so you don't have to take up any extra storage space bringing a vacuum with you. But for being a mid-bunk, you're gonna have that overhead loft. Yeah, that's cool. But if you don't necessarily need the bunk space for sleeping extra people, in the bunk space, they have, I think it's a really great setup for a small study, a mini library, could be even turned into an office if you're able to work on the road. Now back here in the kitchen area, a couple things you get. You're gonna get a full-size residential fridge and freezer, residential microwave, the more residential gas range, and there's even a dishwasher in here. Now moving to the back here, this is the big feature, and this is what I was waiting to show you. There's a drop-down patio. So if you are at a campsite, you got a nice body of water, you got a lot of room, you have a sweet view, you can walk right out of your sliding door. It does also have a screen into your patio. Now, I'm not gonna set up the whole thing, but I did wanna show how easy it would be. This is just gonna fold up right against the door, undo that strap, and it's just gonna fold out on itself. It's gonna go around all 4 corners. And then you remember that ladder I showed you up in the front? That's where this can be attached to. So even though you can have this access door here, you can still get right down to your campsite and not have to track in a bunch of dirt getting back here. So that's all I have for now. If you have any additional questions that I didn't cover, things that you want to see, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jordan. My number is 616-965-9605. Thanks for watching.